Hey guys, it's Sonic here. Today we are making Sonic the Hedgehog but in Roblox. So yeah, let me search up green eyes. And then let me search it up. And then there's the bright green eyes. Wait, I gotta go take off my mask. Ah, no, never mind. I'm just gonna put it green eyes. Search by green eyes. Yeah, just buy it and then look, you could get this one. Let me just take off that, then the hat, and I'm gonna show you how to get the Sonic mask. So search up Sonic mask and then search up, and there's a Sonic mask, and then you have to buy it. And look, they can't go to each other, so you have to go to. Okay guys, we're going to Google to do this. To enter, I don't know how to enter. Okay, if you get inside here, you want the mask. Okay, so press that. And then you want the item, so just press it and copy. Wait, let me do it again. Never mind, I think I already did, yeah. Okay, and press this one. And then go to the copy thing and press it. Like where you copy it, right here. And then, wait, I don't think I did it. Wait, yeah, let me save it. I forgot. Okay, oh, wait, what? Have to do it again, guys? Okay, copy. And then press that and copy this one. Press copy, save. Okay, and then there. That's where you get the face. Now go to close. Okay guys, if you could pick an outfit that matches him, like Sonic, that matches Sonic. This outfit matches Sonic. So just search up Sonic hat. No, UGC Sonic hat him. And then just search up pants or shirt so you can get it. And then let me just go to accessories and take it off. Shoulder. And then let me go shoulders. And then let me go to t-shirts. And then take it off. And there, that's how you do it, guys. Oh yeah, let's do the hand, the gloves, the head, all of it. Let me do blue, and then let me go to the left arm and put white, and then the left leg white. No, I mean the arm, and then the left leg is red. Cancel. Okay. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, guys, you want to see it? Here we go. Look, it looks so cool. Well, you guys want to see it, and I'll see you